time for haircut.
Time for another haircut. How long has it been? Like about a month?
I think 1 month. And
All right, honey, please do not mess up this time and create
what
a
you
bald
want?
spot.
Tell me what you want.
I want you to cut this shorter here. You can leave this a little bit long. Cut this back here.
No
Just
problem.
make me look good. I want to look like Brad Pitt.
Okay.
I want to look better than Brad Pitt.
Oh, no light on. Okay. You want Brad Pitt? Maybe not.
Yeah.
Maybe not. Maybe same Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise? That'll work. Oh, the sun feels so good. I was going to take off my shirt, but it looks like the wind is just blowing the hair away anyway, so it's perfect. I don't have to worry about it.
Whoa.
I guess if we need gas money, you can get people haircuts around here.
I can donation.
Yeah, that's right.
Free, but not
$20.
But not guarantee for how look.
Yeah.
This time look good.
Oh, thank you.
Because I focus.
You're focused now, huh? Yeah, make sure like in this area.
Okay.
I don't like it when my hair looks straggly. You might think it looks good, but I think it makes me look older.
No, you not look old.
Makes me look older.
Or on top it. Now start cold. I not have the. No, I don't have.
Well, you brought them, right?
Okay, fine.
Oh, good.
Oh, you move, Mick.
Sorry. You gotta be able to anticipate me moving.
Because I forget the weed, the comb.
Okay.
Oh, it's fine.
Jeez.
I not have the comb. How you say comb?
Comb. You didn't bring it?
The weed, yeah.
Comb, yeah. It's inside, isn't it?
No, I talk about this.
I know. Yeah, that's right. You don't need it. Turn that thing off, then.
Talk about this.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a comb.
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 Comb. Comb. C-O-M, right?
M-B.
Oh, yes.
There's a B at the end. Although the B is not pronounced. You don't say comb. I don't even know how you would say it. It's just comb. These probably people are looking out there and like, wow, look at that guy's getting a haircut.
Hair inside here.
You gonna shave my face too?
No.
No, I'll have to do that.
Wow. You never skinhead, right?
Skinhead?
Or you try some before?
I cut it. I cut it all off in Thailand once. You cut Pope's hair and everybody's hair, and then you went out, and then I cut my own hair.
Oh, really?
You don't remember, huh?
I think this not real.
I think I was mad at you because you were cutting everybody's hair, but not mine.
No, I cut you every month.
Yeah, but at that time
I cut you like this for how many years? 10 past 10 years already.
And for those who don't know, we have actually endured one another for 12 years now.
Start the 13.
Well, 13.
The good number.
13, lucky 13. We've been together for 12 years. 12 miserable years. 12 nice years.
And my first boyfriend.
What? Oh, yeah.
You my first
Yep.
boyfriend.
And she's my first girlfriend.
No way. No way.
We're not counting. How's my hair look out there?
Perfect.
Yeah. I don't have a mirror, but...
You know what? This time I make too short.
That's okay.
Because you
Yeah. And I don't have
say
to
you like short.
brush it. Please, in the comments, can you just let me know if I should start seeing a regular barber or let her keep doing it?
This free, right? Free.
Yeah, free, but hey.
And
Wow, yeah. But then again, if my barber was a guy, that would be really horrible.
I think
Even
it's
if it was
fine.
free.
Leave like this, go shake.
Okay.
Because after you
Shake it a little bit.
shower everything.
All right.
You not make like this.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get the loose hair loose.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay.
See, I have some from.
Her bikini underneath.
Okay,
All right.
you're good.
Come.